All right, welcome to our animal-assisted therapy. Here at Rancho Los Amigos, we have an animal-assisted therapy program where we have 2 therapy dogs who are owned by the facility. Can you turn a circle? Nice long circle. Okay.
The animals are like the therapists. Sometimes it's really hard for us as therapists to motivate the patients, whether they're in pain, whether they are just feeling down or they're depressed. But when we say that the animals are going to be involved in the sessions, they bright up, they get up right away, and it's really a motivator, something that we as therapists can't do, but the animals can definitely do to motivate, and it benefits the patients.
Speak. Good boy.
We use facility dogs. And facility dogs are dogs that have graduated from Canine Companions for Independence in Oceanside, California. They know over 40 different commands.
One of our dogs is here Tuesdays and Thursdays. The other dog is here pretty much every day. So it's great because in case we get new patients come in, people will have like, hey, I saw the dog down the hall, I really want to work with him. It's just a great way that we can kind of order through the doctor and say, hey, so-and-so needs an order so they can work with the dog.
We have 3 animals here in the program. 2 are Labradors and mixed with Golden Retrievers, and we have an umbrella cockatoo that is 19 years old.
I think a lot of times being in the hospital, it gets harder to just be away from if they have animals at home, or people just love animals, and sometimes that helps with the healing process. So just being able to put our hands onto the dogs, pet them, do some grooming, kind of helps them remind them of times when they're at home, helps them get prepared to go home in case they need to work with their animals.
So we have 2 types of sessions. One is a group session where we'll have about 3 to 5 patients in the group session. There we focus on socialization, any impairment that the patient has, the therapist will let the handler know. For instance, if the patient needs to work on ambulation or gait training, then we'll walk with the patient with the dog. If they need to work on range of motion, Zoe, our umbrella cockatoo, will be on the patient's arm, and they can do range of motions with their arm.
The program of having animal-assisted therapy is just a great opportunity. I wish that most other hospitals can have it. We have a big booming thing where a lot of service animals are coming in. We actually do have true facility dogs. It's a great opportunity for them to work with someone who maybe is a little bit more, does a little bit better listening and everything like that. And it's just a great opportunity. And even for some of the people who are considering getting a service dog because they want a little extra help or a little extra emotional support, we have just a great program here that can kind of just showcase the best things about it.